You weren't looking for this life. It found you. One message, one number, one offer, no names, no questions. Just a choice. And once you make it, there's no undo button. Level 1, the offer. It starts small. You're struggling, bills stacking up, life not going how you planned. Then the message comes in, unknown number, short, simple. I have a job for you. You ignore it at first, feels like a joke or a scam. But then another message, $10,000, one task. You stare at your phone, heart beating just a little faster. You don't reply, but you don't block it either. And that alone is your first mistake. Level 2, the meeting. They tell you where to go. A quiet place, no cameras, no crowd. You almost don't show up, but curiosity pulls you in. A man is waiting, doesn't give a name, doesn't ask yours. He slides something across the table, an envelope, inside, a photo, an address, half the money. Up front, your hands freeze. This isn't a joke. This is real. You look up. He's already watching you, waiting, not forcing, just observing, because he knows something you don't yet. You're already considering it. Level 3, the decision. You go home, sit in silence, the envelope on the table. You keep telling yourself, I'm not going to do this. But you don't throw it away. You don't report it. You don't walk away. You just wait. Hours pass. Then you open it again, study the photo, study the address. Trying to understand the person, trying to justify something that doesn't make sense. Eventually, you stop asking why and start thinking how, and that's when it's over because the decision's already been made. Level 4, the first job. You arrive at the location. Everything feels louder. Every step, every sound, every movement. Your heart is racing, but your face stays calm. You see the target, just a person, normal, unaware. And for a moment, you hesitate because this is the point of no return. Then something clicks, not emotion, not anger, just action. You do it fast, clean. And just like that, it's done. No noise, no chaos, just silence. Level 5, the aftermath. You expect panic, guilt, something. But what you feel instead is quiet. Too quiet. You go home, sit down, stare at nothing, trying to process what just happened. But your brain doesn't react the way you thought it would because the moment is already over and now there's only one thing left, the money. The second half is delivered. No words, no acknowledgement, just proof that it worked. Level 6, the change. The next message comes faster. Then another, higher amounts. Cleaner instructions. You don't hesitate this time. You don't question it because now you understand the system. You know how it works. You know what you're capable of. And more importantly, you know what it pays. You start improving, planning better, moving smarter, thinking ahead. You're not reacting anymore. You're operating. Level 7, the detachment. Faces stop mattering. Names don't exist. People become tasks. You don't see lives anymore, just objectives. And the scariest part? It feels normal. You blend in, live your life. No one suspects anything because there's nothing obvious to see. That's how this world works. The cleaner it is, the less it exists. Level 8, the shift. Then something changes. A job feels different, too easy, too clean, too perfect. You start noticing things, patterns, timing, people watching longer than they should. And for the first time, you feel it. Not control, but exposure. Level 9, the target. You get a new assignment, another envelope, another photo. But when you open it, everything stops because this time it's you. Same system, same setup, same rules, just reversed. And now you understand something clearly. You were never special. You were just useful. Level 10, the end game. You don't run. Running confirms everything. You don't call anyone. There's no one to call. You just sit there thinking, replaying everything. The first message, the first decision, the moment it all started. Because now you see it clearly. It was never about the job. It was about control. And the second you thought you had it, you lost it. Somewhere right now, someone gets a message, unknown number, simple offer, easy money. They think it's just a choice, something small, something they can walk away from, but they don't understand yet. It doesn't start when you accept the job. It starts when you don't say no. And by the time you realize what you've stepped into, it's already too late.